What's up, guys? We're back with another episode from Vapology No Sugar Coat. Today you're going to be reviewing the RPM from SMOK. It's a pod system, the newest one from SMOK so far. So after the Novo, the Nord, the Novo 2. The reason that this RPM is definitely way better than the other ones is because number one, it has a screen. So as you see in the screen, it'll show you your battery. They'll show you the wattage that you're at, the ohms, just like a regular vape, pretty much, one of those bigger mods. So here's the pod system for it. Now, technically, it comes with two pods. Now, the first pod is one for regular juice. So it includes the 0.4 mesh coil with it. And with this, it's best at 25 watts. Now they also do make a mesh 0.6 ohm coil. It's a triple coil, and that's more for cloud production. Personally, from trying both of them, I really like the 0.4. I'm more about flavor. But similar to the Nords and the Novos, you'll plug in the coil right here, so no screw-on needed. So once you plug it in, it has a little slot right here, as you can see. And once you do, you just lift it up and fill until it's full, obviously. Once that's done, you let it sit for a few minutes. I'd say at least 5 minutes. Let the coil soak up. Once you plug in the pod, so you'll see that the mod will say pod attached, and that's how you know it's recognizing your coil. But flavor production and flavor profile on these are pretty damn good. Not gonna lie. Let me take a hit and show you guys what kind of vapor production it makes. Pretty good. Now it is a 1500 mAh battery, so I don't personally use it all day long. I like to use it with my bigger vape. I noticed that when I use it solely by itself, that the battery did not last me all day. The good thing about it is a 2-hour fast charge. So when I was hitting it all day, I'd probably say it lasts me about 6 hours for the day. I'm usually doing a 3 milligram in the bigger vape, such as this one. With these, it's not as much vapor production, so if you really want that kick, I would definitely recommend a 6 milligram. But as you can see here, they have a lot of cool designs. So that's the rainbow edition. There's an orange one, and they all have their unique design. This is probably my favorite. It's the black on black carbon fiber, and then they also have a chrome and carbon fiber. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna compare it to the Nord, and I'll show you guys the size difference and everything. All right, so here's the RPM 40 watt, and here's the Nord. So lengthwise, just a little bit taller than the Nord. Definitely the width of it is a little bit wider as well, but pretty close. The cool thing about it is it's going to be the same concept of 5 clicks on will turn it off, and then this is your up and down button to adjust the wattage. Now if you hold the power button and the up button, it'll clear the puffs, but if you click them together, let me try to get this to work. As you see, the color of the screen changed. So there's a green, there's a red, there's a yellow, a blue, a purple, and then a white. 1, 2, 3 will lock the power button. That way when it's in your pocket, you're not roasting your coil out. But overall, pretty impressed with the device. Definitely would recommend one, especially if you're on the go or if you're traveling or anything. Price point, I would say, depending on where you get it from, anywhere from $40 to $45 up to $50. But definitely recommend it. I'll show you guys what comes in the box. So this is an example of the outside of the box. So it includes the RPM itself. It includes the standard pod, which is the 0.4 coil I was talking about. And then the second one is a 0.6 triple coil, along with the USB and the power manual. So this is the second pod. You'll see that it's a little bit tinges of black, and this is for the salt nick. So if you try to take the other coil from the other device, it will not fit in here. It'd have to be the specific coil for the salt nick. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, like us, subscribe, share, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.